Understanding re-entry. Enhance your English vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we are diving into a phrase that might sound simple but has a variety of uses in different contexts. Re-entry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how and when to use this term. So, let's get started. Re-entry is a compound word, consisting of the prefix re and the noun entry. The prefix re implies doing something again or returning, while entry refers to the act of entering. Therefore, when combined, re-entry means entering a place or a situation again after having left it. 2.1 Space exploration. In space exploration, re-entry refers to the return of a spacecraft into the Earth's atmosphere. It is a crucial phase of a space mission, and it requires precise calculation to ensure a safe landing. 2.2 Immigration and travel. In terms of immigration, a re-entry visa allows a person to leave a country and return without jeopardizing their residency status. It's essential for those who are on long-term visas but need to travel in and out of the country. 2.3 Professional and personal life. Re-entry can also refer to returning to a profession or situation after an absence. This could be someone returning to work after maternity leave, or re-entering the dating scene after a long-term relationship has ended. While we are not focusing on phonetics in this video, it's important to stress that the word is pronounced with an emphasis on the re, making it re-entry. Also, it is mostly used in formal contexts and can be replaced with simpler terms like coming back or returning in informal settings. And that wraps up our discussion on re-entry. I hope this video has provided you with a clear and comprehensive understanding of this term, and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations and writing. Remember, learning a language is a journey, and you're doing great. See you in the next video.